Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to delete your RoboForex account. So guys, let's get started. If you go your profile guys and you don't find any option to delete your account directly. So guys, what you have to do, just click this option contact feedback and go to write your name here. For example, your name is J Adam, and write your email address here and write your requests. And this is my request guys, dear robot forex support, and I hope this message find you well. I would like to request to delete my RoboForex account associated with this email address. Right here your email address, and after that guys, what you have to do, scroll down, please let me know if the information is required, complete process, and write best regard here, regards, and write your email and click I am not robot and submit your request. This is the step one guys. If you want to contact via chat, just click this option and you have this contact on Telegram and Viber and Messenger and WhatsApp. Just click this WhatsApp icon and write your request to delete account, the same one here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.